Hey everybody, it is time for a new craft here at the library, and since it's spring, we're going to go with kind of a spring theme. We're going to make ourselves a colorful little umbrella. So what you'll get in your kit is a white piece of paper, a cute little colorful cupcake liner, which you will flatten out and fold in half. You'll get 2 cotton balls and a little piece of pipe cleaner. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to decorate your piece of paper. I put a little sun because there's always a sun behind the clouds, and a little bit of rain because we like to get rain in spring because it makes all the green things grow again. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your flattened out and folded in half cupcake liner, and you're going to put it here just like an umbrella. And we'll make a little umbrella handle by turning the end up like that and putting it just like that, so it looks just like an umbrella. Now we're going to glue those in place, starting with this, because this is going to be a little, and I like the liquid glue for this one because your pipe cleaner is going to need liquid glue to stick good to your paper. So we'll put it just like this, and we'll put some glue on the back of the cupcake liner. Glue that down on top there. Now we're going to take the cotton balls, and you can pull these apart and make nice fluffy clouds. You can pull that cotton any shape you like and then glue that down. Just pull it apart. That one's coming apart a little more than a little different. There we go. There, and just like that, you have a fun little umbrella spring scene with the raindrops and the green growing things. So we're going to celebrate spring now. So these kits are ready for you at the library. You can come and pick one up.